Overcoming addiction is a challenging journey that individuals face, often struggling with the physical, emotional, and mental aspects of recovery. In this phase, the importance of seeking help and support cannot be overstated. It's crucial to acknowledge the challenges of life after addiction and recognize the need for a strong support system. Overcoming addiction requires resilience and determination, and seeking help is a vital step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. Rebuilding life after addiction involves a profound process of healing and growth. It requires individuals to navigate through the challenges of rebuilding their identity and finding a sense of purpose. Therapy and self-care play pivotal roles in this journey, offering essential tools for addressing underlying issues and developing healthier coping mechanisms. Additionally, finding purpose in life can provide a strong motivational foundation for recovery. Support systems and positive relationships are vital for fostering healing, offering encouragement and understanding throughout the challenging but transformative process of rebuilding one's life after addiction. Thriving after addiction is an inspiring journey marked by individuals who have successfully rebuilt their lives. Sharing their stories serves as a beacon of hope for others facing similar challenges. Making positive lifestyle changes is integral to this process, encompassing the adoption of healthy habits, exploration of fulfilling hobbies, and pursuit of career development. These changes contribute to a renewed sense of purpose and well-being. Furthermore, setting meaningful goals and staying motivated are crucial for sustained progress, providing direction and a sense of accomplishment along the path to thriving after addiction.